What you doing, little birdie? Huh? What you doing, Andy? Oh my goodness, Andy. Oh, Andy. Are you trying to make a baby bird or hatch a baby bird? Which is it? I can't really tell. Oh my goodness, Andy. That's really something. Good. Wow, that's very loving of you. I know, buddy. Wow. That's very loving. Where are you going? Oh, the red ball's turn? Okay, that's good, Andy. My goodness. Oh, back to the big ball. Wow. Oh, that's so nice. I really don't know if you are trying to make a baby bird or hatch a baby bird. Either way, it's cute. It's cute as heck, buddy. Oh my goodness. That does kind of remind me when I was a teenager, though, so I don't know. We'll have to see what people think. What do you think, Andy? Are you having a good time, Andy? Oh my goodness, little bird. Oh, you're awesome, Andy. That's awesome. Oh, my goodness, birdie. Good job. Yeah? Oh, my word. I'm feeling like I should leave you alone with your ball. I probably shouldn't be recording this. It's too darn cute, though, Andy. Oh, you're going to get both of them. My goodness. That's very... Wow, that's impressive. That's very impressive, Andy. Oh, that's so nice. You love your ball, Andy. You love your toys, don't you, bud? Maybe in this case, literally.